Hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So today we have Gokul with us who has secured 218 rank in GATE ECE examination. So let's talk to him and get to know more about his journey. So yeah, hi Gokul, you can briefly introduce yourself.
So hi everyone, I'm Gokul. I'm a 2024 ECE pass out, and I had taken a drop year for preparing for GATE 2025, and I had secured a rank of 280 in GATE 2025 in the paper of ECE.
So Gokul, what was your performance in 2024?
I hadn't qualified last year.
Okay. So getting disqualified, then how did you muster up the courage of taking the drop for GATE examination?
I was confident about myself because I know I had the potential to score, to land up at least in any course in IIT. I was targeting VLSI, but I was pretty sure that I would be getting some course in IIT, top 5 IITs.
Yeah, so that's a great thing that you need to believe on yourself. Like you can see Gokul, he disqualified last attempt and now he is having a score above 750 and a rank of 218. Yeah, great. So Gokul, what all subjects you covered from PrepFusion?
I covered mathematics, analog electronics, digital electronics, control system, and network theories.
Yeah, so almost all the subjects. Like we were a bit late in EMFT, otherwise you would have covered that subject as well. Yeah, I see. Oh, sure. Like you will be the best guy to give the reviews about all our courses because you have covered right in depth, and I can see you have watched a lot of videos as well on our app, so you can give the reviews about the courses.
Firstly, talking about the content quality, it's top notch. It's the depth you guys are covering in every subject. It's top notch, and as you have said, concept meets clarity. It's 100% about preparation.
Yeah, so Gokul, let me know like when did you actually complete your whole syllabus?
I completed by November end. November end, I completed a complete syllabus.
Okay, so and after that completely revision and all these kind of things, test series and
Right.
revision.
But then there's syllabus for December 15, and I started writing test series by December 22, I think. If I remember correctly, I wrote first test series and December 22.
So from December 22, full length test series or subject wise test series you are talking about?
This full length.
Full.
First full length.
What about subject wise and topic wise?
Subject wise and topic wise, I was covering along with my preparation, completing syllabus. I was writing subject wise test series.
Yeah, so that's a pretty good thing about Gokul, and you can get to know about that. Like people ask me, sir, when to start the test series? There is no certain time of starting the test series. Topic wise and subject wise test series should be written along with the subject as well, so that you can revise the subject in that manner. So you are actually revising your subjects with the topic wise and subject wise test series, right?
Yes, it helped me a lot to revise. I think it
Great.
should be a strategy to revise every subject through tests.
Yeah, that would be the best possible revision for us because you would get to know that how you are actually performing when you see a particular problem, when you see a new problem, how you are performing that. And that
Yes.
will be the same thing will be replicated in the final examination as well.
Yes.
Yeah, great. So, like it might happen that sometimes your test series marks would be lower, like especially in subject wise and topic wise tests. Like some days might be rough, right?
Yes.
So, how did you motivate yourself? Like, let's just say you are comfortable with a particular subject, but you are scoring very less in a subject wise or topic wise test. So, how do you actually motivate yourself after that?
Initially, I was scoring very low in subject wise tests. Initially, the first 2 3 tests, I was scoring less than 10 out of 25. To be frank, I was scoring less than 10 in the first test, subject wise test. So
Yeah.
I thought of myself that I had started only, it was only 2 3 months. So there is time. There's a lot of time for me to improve. And I motivated myself to complete the syllabus. Sir, talking about this test, initially I was scoring very less, and I motivated myself to prepare well, and it was gradually increasing. The marks were increasing, improving, my performance was improving, and I was confident about my final gate performance.
Yeah. So you can see from you can learn this thing from from Gokul that even if you are scoring less in the test series, that doesn't mean you are going to score less in the final examination as well. It's that you need to stay till the end. If you give
Yes.
up in between, if Gokul would have given up in between, then he might not be scoring that well in the final examination. So the thing is not to give up and keep on performing, keep on improving yourself, and certainly you will get something pretty good in the final examination. So Gokul, like, what was your revision strategy? As you told that you were revising with respect to questions, but how many times did you revise the notes?
Yes, I was revising. I made a revision timetable, revision schedule along with completing syllabus. When I completed one subject, I revised that subject for the next 2 3 weeks, 2 3 weekends, and I revised these subjects. And when I approached the end of the syllabus, I started making a revision timetable and revised previous subjects with less time. Tried to complete each subject in less time. After completing the syllabus, I took a complete revision of the whole subjects. After that, I wrote the series.
Okay. Okay. So, you said that in the end you revise the whole subject. Like, how did you actually revise the whole subject? Like, there would be a stress of 10 subjects. So, how did you tackle that thing?
As I told before, I made a revision timetable. I made timetable and schedule for everything. What I have to do, get a timetable. And at that, after completing the syllabus, I made it as same, and I try to complete each subjects, at least one subject by 2 days, and I achieved it by 20 December. I completed the whole syllabus, revision of the whole syllabus.
Okay. Okay. So that's a pretty good thing you can learn from Gokul again, that it's not that once you complete the whole syllabus, then you need to revise. No, you can revise beforehand as well. Once you complete a syllabus, once you complete a particular subject, after that you need to revise. Then get started with the next subject as well. And in between, you can revise. Like Gokul used to revise on weekends, and on weekdays, you would be studying the new subject, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So in that manner also you can do the revision. Along with completing the subject, you do the revision, you revise the notes. Along with that, you write down the test series. In that manner, if you proceed in the preparation, that would be pretty good for you. Yeah, great, Gokul. So, any motivating word you want to tell to your juniors or those who are going to write down the examination for next year, or anything that you want to tell from your own side that I have missed in the interview? So, anything you want to tell?
I have to tell only one thing, that don't get demotivated by these test series marks. So it during your preparation, some days we will get good marks, very high marks, very good marks, very good rank, and some days our performance would be very poor. So don't get demotivated by this poor performance. At the end, our effort matters. This 8 or 9 months preparation matters. That's all.
Yeah. So, Gokul, one thing I forgot to ask: what was your question bank? Like, you attempted test series. Along with that, what all questions you need to solve?
Uh, I I solved PYQs for 2 times. Complete PYQs 2 times. I completed After completing subjects. I do all the PYQs of that subject, and at the end, I took a complete round of these PYQs.
Okay, so like PYQs you sold of your own branch ECE or electrical and instrumentation as well?
Electrical.
Okay, okay, great, great. Yeah, so thank you very much, Gokul, for coming on this channel. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
and you have been always one of our student who has been always dedicated enough, and certainly whatever you want to achieve, I'm pretty sure you are going to achieve that. Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thanks.
Thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. If you also want to prepare in the same manner with PrepFusion for GATE 2026 and 2027 examination, then you can visit our website and apply the code TITANS15 on all our paid courses, and you will get 15% off. The complete information regarding all the courses have been shared in this particular video, which you can check out by clicking on the link that has been posted in the description box. Best of luck to everyone and happy learning.